Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how I was able to do this whole hairstyle in 3 hours. We are using some hair from ISEE Hair. The hair is 20-inch, but there's a way to install this hair to make it look as long as it is in this video. This is how the packaging look like. It was very nice. You get two boxes and you still have a bag inside. The hair did come with some combs and other stuff. This is how the packages look like. We are only using 4 packs, and that's how the hair looks like straight out of the packaging. You don't need to use no products. You don't need to tame the hair. It is super soft. It comes with a net. Everything is gathered together. The curl is very, very soft and beautiful. The name of the hair is Burmese curly and 20 inches. This is how you start by saving time. You part her hair into 4 sections, and then you pre-part all the rows before you start doing the individual braids. Right here, I'm just braiding her natural hair, and then I add 1 strand of the curly hair at the end just to make the hairstyle longer than 20 inches. It'll be longer and it'll be full as well. So I just braid this down and I'll keep doing it till I'm done. Once I'm finished, that's when I will just fill up her hair with all the rest of the hair. This way will make you save so much time. You don't do 2 things at once. You braid, you add the curls, and that's it. That's the first step. And then the second step, you just fill it up with all the rest of the hair. Now that I'm done with all the braids, to keep it organized and to make sure that I don't skip any braid, I pull it up in a ponytail, and I'll pull each braid one at a time just to fill them up with curls. And that's it. The whole thing took 3 hours. This process took 2 hours to do, and just adding up the curls, I think it took like 45 minutes. So the whole hairstyle didn't really take a whole 3 hours. Once again, this is how the pack looked like. Look at the end of it. It's wrapped with net to protect the curls, and once you open the curls, it doesn't get frizzy, it doesn't shed, and it's super soft. Easy to just crochet the hair on the braid, and I added 3 curls per braid to make it super full.
Last song on the mixtape. A special thank you to all of y'all that's been rocking with me.
Once again, we are using 4 packs of ISEE Hair. The name of the hair is Burmese curly. It's 20 inches. I pre-sectioned her hair into 4 sections, and then I did the rows for the parts, braided her hair, add the curly hair at the end, do that to her entire head, and then supplement with the leftover hair just to make it fuller. That's what I'm doing right now. The hair is very nice. It doesn't shed, and once you're done, you do not need to use any hair products on it. No mousse, no nothing. The hair is very nice straight out of the package, and it doesn't shed. This is how the final look like. Super full, doesn't tangle while using it. Thank you very much to ISEE Hair for sending this hair. I'll make sure the hair is in the description box. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you on my next one.
Don't dreams you'll be chasing, happy in your life. You're gonna feel loved, and I'll write songs for you. So here's a few lines they say.